unpacking the oven and new refrigerator. Looks like somebody left the cord here with a 4-prong 4-wire cord, which is not compatible with what I installed here. So we're gonna have to probably end up changing that out once I determine what kind of wire this actually uses, which we're gonna be looking at here in just a minute. I'm gonna have to take that off, it looks like, to get to the wiring. Now let's get all this shit off and all this off, and then we'll make some determinations on the electrical for that. All right, so went ahead and put the 240 cord on with ground. As you can see, we've got all that lined up. Got the wire in. Boom. Okay, looks good. Let's put this cover on. Alright, let's tie this back in. Okay, we're ready to go. Okay, so that's all set up. All right, now the oven's ready to go. We also updated the plug. Before I had a 3-prong, now I have a 4-prong, which is going to include an extra ground, which is more updated to go with this more updated oven. And so my 240 also is connected 4 wires all the way down, plug, because remember we used this kind of wire here, which was 8 gauge, like the oven, 8 gauge with 4 wires, and that's what we ran back here. So, and then ran it all the way down to the breaker. We've already seen that part of the video. We're just including that now into that. And unfortunately, I can't turn it on right now to test it because I can't get to the breaker right now. All right, so we got the stove hooked up. We got the fridge all set up, all the tape off and all that stuff. It's running good, it's getting cold. Got handles on it, freezer, all looks good. So I got them plugged in right there, got the table over here. Okay. All right, so we're turning the 240 on that we ran. Let's look and see how it works. Turn our new light on, bop, and there we go. We do got power. It's on. So let's give it a test. Oh, look at that glow. Nice. Boom. Let's get them all on. Give them all a test. All the broilers, small and big. As you can see, this cooktop on hot. Look at that. Nice glow. Oh, these are beautiful. Ooh, wow. Very nice, very nice. All right. And then they turn back off like so. And that will be it.